I saw this manicure on Pinterest
and I thought it would be perfect for Valentine's Day, so I decided to try it out. So I began with a nude base. And then after that, using a bobby pin, because I lost my dotting tool and I still haven't found it, so I just used the back of a bobby pin. Using the bobby pin, I free-handed the top of a heart, and then using the brush, I went in and filled in the heart. I messed up on my middle finger by making it too much to one side, so I just added another heart on top. And then I finished off with some top coat. These are all the colors that I used.
There was a snowstorm going on when I was doing this manicure, and so I tried to get it on camera, but oh my god, there was so much snow outside.